What is happening, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing good. You feel me? So we're gonna be doing a quick video, product review on this here EOS sunshade deflector window visor. I got these off of eBay, and the first ones, I don't know if I still have any of the video clips available to throw in here, but the first set that I bought, they said they were smoked and tinted plastic, but they were just straight up opaque. You couldn't see through them, visor. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these out of the wrappers here. First things first, the overall packaging kind of was minimal. There was no I don't even want to touch this. It's like some sort of spray foam crap. The wrapping on this is cool. They have a double layer protection, so that's, you know, kind of guaranteeing that you're not going to really get anything too scuffed up. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get these taken out. So these are definitely just tinted, not completely opaque, so we're off to a great start there. These were only like 30 something bucks. They're supposed to be like Mugen Replicas. First thing you're going to do is prep your workspace here. So you're just going to open up your doors, get all the pollen and dirt off of where you're going to be applying. They're basically just stickers, heavy stickers. They have the double-sided 3M tape on them, or wannabe 3M. Just focus on getting this back part to line up straight with the door on this side, and then whatever's extra in the front, you won't really be able to notice it. These also came with a little alcohol pad. Alright, so you're just going to take the backing of the double-sided tape off there carefully. It's finally able to get this bottom piece taken off. So, alright, finally back to, seriously, it's been about 5, maybe even close to 10 minutes. Alright, there we go. Just, again, focus on mocking them up properly up here. So we go to the next door. I'm pushing the plastic up against the frame of the door here, and that way I get a nice level, smooth, flush. Get that alignment, very, very good. I think that looks pretty clean. And then you see, like right here, what I'm doing is I'm pushing down with my finger, kind of using it as a level to get this nice and straight and flush with every edge of the window frame here. And then once we have something that we like, just press down on it. All right, to the back door, and we'll be done. Again, this should only take you like 10 minutes. I don't know what it is, but it's such a pain in the ass to get the hook on the edge of these things. Jesus Christ, finally got it. I'm telling you guys, this is the worst part of the install here. You can like see the time going by in the background, I guarantee it. Now the tape's all chopped up. Alright, we got it off. That's how fast it should take to install these things. I'll just chop up the video and show me putting it on versus taking the tape off of these things. It's so unnecessary. Like, why cheap out on that part? Or maybe they didn't cheap out, it's just the way that stuff works. But this is what we all want to see. Sick. Wet. This window visors look so clean, along with the roof rack. Sheesh, that looks wet. And honestly, one of my biggest hang-ups with this car was, for some reason, when it was raining, and I drive with the window cracked all the time, and that's one of the main reasons I do like window visors. But for some reason, the way the water drips off of this car, it just goes straight into the door, like into the window, like into the car. It just goes straight into the car. The water will like roll off this way and just go straight into the car. So hopefully, I mean, you should do the trick on that, right? I'm really stoked on this side's mounting too, like the alignment on it. It's really good. I should have probably done a little better job on the other side, but honestly, I don't think anybody but me is gonna like really notice that. It's just a little off. Let's check out how these look on the inside now. This was my biggest hang up with the janky Amazon ones. That's so much better. You can see through them. I'm telling you, the ones from Amazon was just black. From like here up, it was just black. You can't, why would you want, like, you're just limiting how much visibility you have. And given, you know, nothing's gonna be really up here like that. If you can't see it down here, nothing's gonna be up there, right? But it's definitely just better, in my opinion, to have that going on. But yeah, let's go ahead and do a little test drive and see if there's any wind sounds or anything like that, and then finish up this little review. So you can really appreciate the attention to detail that the EOS, the company EOS did. You see the window is cracked, right? Now look at how perfectly molded that is. Same thing on this side, just perfectly molded. And like, is this like for cigarettes or something? I don't know. I'm trying to quit smoking cigarettes, but yeah, that does look clean. Let's go for a little test drive and photo shoot.